Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at y'all with another quick video with the Pull-Up King. Alright man, this video is a 2013 Jeep Compass 2.4 Sport, and I'm gonna do the spark plugs on it. Now, it's easy, it's an easy job now. Easy job. I got several videos of this being done, so so it's like each car has the same repair. I'm going to show everybody each car. So each car I touch, I don't care if I did a tune-up on 4 spark plugs on a Chevy or anything, you know what I mean? Anything else, as long as it's being showed for each particular car. So that's what I'm trying to do for y'all. All right, so let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Got our spark plugs. That's the part number. All right, so first off, we want to start. All right, so we're gonna start off with the T30 to get out these screws here, holding coil packs in. All right, we got those out. You just take out the coil packs. And take out these are shorter. Take out the harness. Boom. Alright. Got the coil packs out. Now we're gonna go to the spark plugs. Get those spark plugs out. Get yourself a long extension and a 5/8 socket or 16 millimeter. Okay, once you get those loose, you want to get your magnet, pull them out. All right, now these sockets normally have a magnet in there, but a lot of times they come out, lose them. And these valve cover gaskets look dry. Spark plugs are dry, so that's a good sign. Look like it's leaking. Alright. Get your anti-seize. Always put that on the threads, so when it goes inside, they don't corrode, they don't stick to the block, they don't seize to it. Spark plugs installed. Go ahead and reinstall your coil packs. Those up and put your screws in, put your bolts in, just like that, man. Spark plugs installed, quick and easy. Hey man, you know what to do if you're liking the content, man. Like the video, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to tap that bell and put all your notifications. Catch these videos, man. Till next time. Pull-Up King.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.